Example 2, Regina invests $12,600 in an account that earns 3.2% annual interest compounded continuously. Okay, so again, as soon as you see compounded continuously, there's only one formula to use. The formula is the amount of money in our account should be what we invested times e to the RT power. So my task basically is to figure out what P, R, and T are. So P equals something, R equals something, T equals something. And E is that magical number that lives on our calculator screen. We have a calculator button for E. So, how much is she investing? $12,600. $12,600. What is the interest rate? 3.2%. So if I change 3.2% to a decimal, what does that become? 0.032. Again, be very, very careful. The decimal must move 2 positions over. Currently it's living right here. I've got to put a 0 here to make it go 1, 2 spaces over. If you leave that 0 off, all of a sudden you got a 32% interest rate. And again, your bank is going bankrupt. If you own the bank, you're going to make a bunch of money if you're investing, but I don't know, be kind of dishonest. So I don't think I'd want to earn it that way. So anyway. And then finally, what's T?
Years.
How many years? 12. So she's going to have this in 12 years. So 3.2% interest rate. So it's not a really high interest rate, but it's not bad. And again, our formula is PE to the RT power. So A equals 12,600 times E to the 0.032 times 12. And again, 0.032 times 12 is not as pleasant as like 2 times 3 was, right? So again, quite often you get this product in there, so make sure parentheses, product, and parentheses. So on my calculator here, I'm going to type in 12,600. I'm hitting the second LN button to get my E caret parentheses. You again have to hit second PRB, arrow over to LN, and then choose number 2. Okay, that's how you get it on your calculators. And then 0.032 times 12 in parentheses. So again, E caret parentheses, product, and parentheses equals, after 12 years, she should expect to have $18,498.63. $498.63. All right, so use the proper formula. Put all the information in, make sure the decimals are converted to, or sorry, the percent converted to decimals correctly, and make sure you use parentheses appropriately on your calculator when you're evaluating these to get the right number. Round to the nearest cent on all investments.